A parallel plate capacitor of area A, plate separation D, and capacitance C is filled with four dielectric materials having dielectric constants K, K2, K3, and K4 as shown in the figure. If a single dielectric material is to have the same capacitance C in this capacitor, then its dielectric constant K is given by which of the following equations? The capacitor in the image has four dielectrics arranged in a combination of series and parallel. The dielectrics in the top, we have K1, K2 and K3 which occupy equal area A by 3 and the same thickness D by 2. These capacitors are connected in parallel. And in the bottom section we have dielectric K4 occupies the entire area A and a thickness of, again, it is D by 2. The equivalent capacitance for the top part is given by C top is equal to epsilon naught into K1A by 3 into 2 by D plus K2A by 3 into 2 by D plus K3A by 3 into 2 by D, which upon simplifying we get C top is equal to, taking common outside, which is 2 epsilon naught A divided by 3D into K1 plus K2 plus K3. The capacitance of the bottom part with K4 is given by C bottom is equal to epsilon naught K4A divided by D by 2, which is nothing but 2 epsilon naught K4A divided by D. The total capacitance is given by the formula 1 by C is equal to 1 by C at the top plus 1 by C at the bottom. Substituting the values and simplifying, we get 1 by C is equal to 1 by C top is nothing but 3D by 2 epsilon naught A into K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 by C bottom is nothing but D by 2 epsilon naught K4 into A. On simplifying, we get 1 by C as 3 by 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 by 2 into K4, because here D by epsilon naught A is taken as constant. Therefore, the equivalent dielectric constant K is nothing but 2 by K is equal to 3 by K1 plus K2 plus K3 plus 1 by K4. Here K is nothing but D by epsilon naught A and 2 is sent from here. Hence, the correct answer is option A.